Okay, so yeah. So ngayon dito ako sa LTO. Um, we're just actually waiting for our turn. Oh, may pimple pa pala ako. Oh my god. Anyways, so yeah, I'm just waiting for my turn. Kuha ko na yung acknowledgement slip. So yeah, hintayin na lang tayo ng natawagin tayo magbayad. Actually, mabilis lang. I've been here less than 30 minutes. So, talagang medyo malaki na rin ang in-improve. Sobrang laki na in-improve na ng LTO processing system. I'm not sure sa ibang branches, pero definitely dito sa Las Piñas branch, kung saan palagi ako or madalas ako nagpaparindo ng registration sa lisensya. Dito talaga ako nagpo-process because I'm from here, or I'm from here sa South, so syempre. So, napansin ko na talaga through the years, ngayon kitang-kita, obvious na talaga yung difference. Dati ang tagal, it takes hours bago ka man lang makakuha ng acknowledgement slip or para malaman kung magkano yung babayaran mo. Now, it takes just a few minutes. And right now, siguro nataon lang na marami lang tao, kaya marami silang pina-process. Pero, kung sabi mo, wala pang 30 minutes, alam mo na kung magkano babayaran mo, hihintay ka na lang, pipila ka na lang talaga. So, yeah. So, that's, talagang napakalaking improvement. So, hintay na lang talaga tayo, tapos magbabayad na. Yes, success. So, tapos na tayo. So, now we're on our way home. So, magti-thank you lang tayo sa kaibigan ko na nag-guide sa atin. Kaso, wala siya. Wala si Les. Nag-lunch. Thank you very much. Ayun pala. Okay, magti-thank you lang tayo sa ating kaibigan. Tapos, okay na, uwi na tayo. So yeah, tapos na. Thank you very much. Hindi lang. So yeah, yun. So nakapag-thank you na tayo sa aming kaibigan. Napaka-bait talaga. So, to the people who are, to the viewers who are watching, so, if you have the chance, I would totally, highly recommend yung ating napakagaling LTO office dito sa Las Piñas. Kasi napaka-attentive nila. Kahit na yung mga program laki na niya. Lakad na tayo yun. So, very helpful sila. Las Piñas siya. Diba? So, now we go back to walking papuntang sa kung saan tayo nag-park. Nag-ingat muna tayo kasi natawid tayo. Okay, baka makuha sa camera na masagasaan tayo. Thank you. Look. Yes. Love it. So now, ayun. And we're now off. See what is next for our day. Agasa na lang. Wait lang. Makapagpapak. Sipan na mga. Saan yung nari na po? Oh, grabe. This something. Yes. So, ayun nga. So, we just we have successfully, so successful tayo, success tayo today kapag parehistro. So, alam ko yung pag-process natin madalas lahat na ibang ng pag-rehistro iba-iba. Sa akin, ginagawa ko kasi para medyo hindi masyadong mabigat. Although it takes a while, 2 araw ako nagpo-process kasi yung unang araw, which is yesterday, nagpa-emission test ako. I thought it would be long, pero actually mabilis pa. It only took me around 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes na magpa-emission. Matagal pa yung binyahe ko actually papunta sa emission testing center. And malapit lang siya dun sa LTO office. And then after that, after ko magpa-emission test, so syempre, I took the rest of the day to fix what I needed to do, yung mga ibang errands ko. Wait lang. Salamat. So after that, I took the rest of the day to run my errands. And then, okay, right now I'm here at Robinson's Las Piñas. Okay, kasi ang ginawa ko na is the next day ako nagparehistro. So it was, for me, it's much more convenient kasi one, pinaka-problem or pinaka-concern ko about registering is parking. So dahil dahil may malapit na Robinson's Center here sa Las Piñas na LTO, gusto ko na sigaw. Wait lang. So yeah, so as I was saying, yun nga, dahil may malapit na Robinson's Las Piñas dito sa LTO, I took the liberty of dito na lang park kasi lakarin mo na lang po sa LTO kasi nga problema din sa LTO parking. Right now dito ako sa National Bookstore just trying to buy some school supplies. Wala actually long envelopes kasi pagkagamitan tayo dito. But anyway, so yeah. So it also gives me the convenience of running my other errands. So for 2 days, aside from registration, marami akong errands na nila. Thank you very much, ate. Thank you. So yeah. So now, thank you, ate. So now we are off to run another errand. So yeah, so it's a little bit, it's a whole lot of convenient. Yeah. Thank you, National Bookstore, for so grabe. Ang init sa labas, so now that I'm here at Robinson's, ang lamig, sarap ng pakiramdam. It's napaka presko. Pero syempre, dahil we're only here for a few minutes, dadaan lang technically talaga. And we are now off. Again, off. We are off. So, paalis na tayo. So, yeah. So, having said that, so, yeah. So, I would highly recommend that when you have the time, magpa-register sa sasakyan or pa-renew ng lisensya, always try to schedule your day kasi you really want to do or to accomplish all of that. Talagang you really need to allot one whole day to finish yung mga procedures kasi emission test and then process ng insurance and then registration. takes at least more than half the day. Tapos, thank you very much, Ate. So, also, pagka mag-renew ka ng lisensya, takes a while. Processing, pipila, also takes practically half the day. So, talagang challenging talaga. And, you know, talagang ang mangyayari yan, schedule lang kailangan. Okay? So, again, thank you very much for joining me. So, I will close up this video at home when I edit it. So, yung final is nakupo ko sa aking magiging upuan. Thank you very much, guys. I'll see you in a while. Wait. So, just to close out this video, guys, thank you very much for joining me in the registration today. So, thank you very much for the. Thank you very much, thank you very much to the Las Piñas Office of Land Transportation Office. Thank you very much for the assistance during the registration, and hindi madali ang ginagawa nyo, and if you continue doing your job the way as efficient as you did kanina, definitely maraming Pilipino ang matutulungan at magiging masaya at magiging mas mabilis at madali ang proseso talaga ng pagrehistro basta lahat tayo tulong-tulong. So, to my friends here in the South, I would highly recommend that you stick to your schedule when registering your vehicles. Huwag niyong hintayin na malate kasi medyo mabigat din ang penalties for registering late. But nonetheless, if schedule permits it, just make sure that you allot enough time para makapag-register kayo at matapos nyo lahat in one day. Okay? So, thank you very much again, and I hope to see you in my future, in the next vlogs that I will be creating. If you like what you see and if you like my content, please like and subscribe to my channel. Have a wonderful day, guys. Bye. Peace.